most people start with an ambition to drive efficiency, speed, and cost savings. Is absolutely what we need to do within the way that we do marketing, the way we do finance, the way we do HR. The bigger question, I think, is what are the new things that we can do with GenAI that we couldn't necessarily do before? So for marketing and communications, the function that I was really working with our chief marketing officer, we were really trying to say, how could we use the best tech data and AI as well as operational setups to improve the way that our marketing function works? So to be the best marketing company in the world, to improve efficiency, but also to do new things that we couldn't do before. It's the combination of understanding how work happens and also how the technology works that I think is an interesting one to create impact. The other interesting thing is to think differently about how to drive change, which is what I was really interested in pioneering. How do you get an organization to really embrace this new technology? Quite oftentimes in the literature, you have AI and Gen AI pitted against humans and jobs. And I was really interested in what's the context that drives a behavioral shift? What do we have to do with skills and learning? What do we have to do with change management practices that creates a more positive tissue connection between people and technology, as opposed to just deploying technology and expecting that the world's going to change differently? And in that, I think we have a lot of disciplines around change management. Quite clearly, that's something that my practice does a lot of. But thinking about adopting technology isn't sufficient in this next era. It's really about getting people to work differently. So we got right into how do you really redesign the work and how do you reshape the workforce? Leadership models, to tasks and skills and jobs that people do as marketeers, as well as the organization design and the change management. The change management isn't deploy the technology. The change management is continuous change because for the first time we have a technology that learns, and getting that co-learning and co-working to happen between the Gen AI agents. We have 14 now working in our end-to-end campaign optimization, getting those technologies to work with people and getting marketeers to embrace a new way of working was the change challenge.